In honor of Dolly Parton, I'm going to be ripping a blinker and then immediately trying to sing her song 9 to 5 without coughing.
Tumble out of bed and stumble to the kitchen, pour myself a cup of ambition, yawn and stretch and try to come alive. Jumping in the shower and the blood starts pumping. Out in the streets, the traffic starts jumping with folks like me on their job from 9 to 5. Working 9 to 5. What a way to make a living. Barely getting by. It's all taking and no giving. They will use your mind and then with no credit. It's enough to drive you crazy if you let it. 9 to 5 for service and devotion. You would think that I would deserve a fair promotion. Trying to move ahead, but the boss won't let me. Sometimes I swear that man is out to get me. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Got a blast.